Hello, welcome back guys to Spotter channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to check RAM or Motorola G06 power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, here you just have to open the setting apps. And now in the settings page, you just have to scroll it down to find the about phone options like this. And to check the RAM, you just have to open it first. And we'll see here the RAM option, which is on my phone there are 4GB for the RAM, and then plus here 4GB for the RAM boost. If you want to see the details of the RAM, you just have to tap on it, and there will see for the RAM boost here we can add for maximum at 8GB, yeah guys. If you don't want to use it, you just have to tap on the button beside a RAM boost here. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.